Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue if your Sonos ROM is not charging, and what are some ideas that you can do. So the first idea that you can try to do is this. First, plug it out, and then what you want to do is you want to hold the power button for about 12 to 15 seconds. And what will happen is that like you in front, you should see like a red light appear, and then it's going to like disappear, and then you can try to power it on again and try to charge it after if it's going to work out. The second thing, maybe you need to change the cable or change even the where you're like putting in a like a laptop or in an outlet. This is another thing to try. And the next thing you can try is that when you're going to power it off, what you can do is to perform a factory reset. So you're going to hold the play button on the top, and when you're going to hold the play button and the product needs to be turned off, play button, and then you just press the power button to turn it on, and just gonna hold the play button, and then the light will change from a wide red, and then you can like release it from the pressing the play button, and it's done, and you should do the factory reset. So try these things, and some of it may be possibly help you with the issue of not charging. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.